Hey guys, welcome back to my YouTube video edition channel today. I have a quick presentation, basically introduce you to the denture product that help you to clean your denture better. And without further, I want to jump right in and introduce the Cleanadent dental product help you to clean your denture better and more hygiene for your denture. So those of you who wear the denture, you know you have a hard time remove the Fixadent material, and it very abrasive. It's remove more of your denture surface. And what happens is the bacteria can incorporate back into your denture when you are eating stuff and let it dry, and you're not able to remove all the material in there, and then your denture will get dirty and dirty again. But now you have, I have found a new product that I want you to test it. It's come from Dr. Lauren Berlin, Dr. BDentalSolutions. So check out Dr. BDentalSolutions and find out his denture material and see if you like it. I want to share the screen and see the introduction that he showed me right now. Okay, so let's jump on right in. I want to share you your screen so you can take a look, get his presentation. Here we go.
Thanks for watching, and I hope you enjoy using Cleanadent paste. You can find our dental solutions on our website and on Amazon.
Hey guys, so did you listen to that? It's Dr. B have a very unique invention for this product, and I'd like you to try that and see if you enjoy that. And so I recommend you to try that on and see. Let me know how you feel about this. Okay, and so thank you for watching, and I'm hoping you enjoy my quick video, and check out his product on Amazon as well as on his website www.BDentalSolutions. Thank you for watching. Enjoy your days.